Well, as we move into this homecoming weekend, again, a lot of activity is going to be possibly taking you outside. We're going to be tracking some patchy fog again. Still think that's going to burn off by 9 or 10 o'clock here at the latest across our Friday. Most of us have steered away from some real big issues, kind of like we saw yesterday, but got more sunshine on the way this afternoon. Try to get out and soak it up. We're still tracking some of that cloud cover by lunchtime. As we get out and about, temperature is only in the 70s, but we're still warming as we get into this afternoon. Going to top out in the low to mid 80s later today. So it's going to feel a little bit warmer. It is going to be a little bit warmer than what we've seen these past few days. But as we get into this evening, no big problems. We'll fall back into the low 70s, bottom out in the 60s. Homecoming parade time by 9 o'clock, still looking at the 70s. So it's still comfortable tomorrow morning. But by tailgate time, here we go again, back into the 80s. A little bit of cloud cover you might notice showing up on future track. That's going to help filter out some of that sunshine. And ultimately, it's looking like it should hold us away from quite this hot of temperatures tomorrow afternoon. If we get to 92 here in Columbia, that would at least set a record. That record high is 91 as we get toward kickoff. So again, something to watch, maybe a little more entertainment as well to boot as we get into Saturday. Saturday evening, no issues there either. It's just a little on the warm side. But if you're going to be doing tailgating, you notice those arrows picking up. Here's a look at some of those wind gusts we're expecting. 15 to 20 miles an hour. As of right now, might squeeze one out around 25, but might need to put two hands on that paper plate. Not really going to be affecting things too much, but it is something to keep in mind for all of those homecoming festivities, or maybe heading a little further south into Hartsburg, that pumpkin festival. Just going to be warm. It's going to be breezy both days. That should help matters out just a touch more. It's keeping things nice and stirred up. That's all out ahead of this next storm system that we're tracking Sunday night into Monday morning. That's when those next storms going to be rolling on through mid-Missouri. So have the umbrella ready. Getting into next work week, we're staying dry all the way through this weekend. But look at that as we get into Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then probably another round getting into Wednesday afternoon itself, looking like a pretty active start to next week.